Oh, way to go, Speedmaker from the outside and changing warrior. Super Crusade moving up by the rail. Is entry number 1, Sauvignon. Speedmaker, Unchanging Warrior, Super Crusade, Sauvignon Danori inside Moscow Ballet. And Mr. Saber is running at the tail of the field, passing the half-mile post. A Speedmaker by about 5 lengths, followed by Unchanging Warrior, running down on the inside is Super Crusade, and rounding the far turn, Speedmaker by about 5 lengths, followed now by Super Crusade. Unchanging Warrior once again from the outside. As they raise the last 500, a Speedmaker by only 3 lengths, Unchanging Warrior from the outside, Super Crusade on the inside. As they raise the last 250, a Speedmaker, Unchanging Warrior, Super Crusade on the inside. Super Crusade, Unchanging Warrior, fighting it out for the lead. Super Crusade, Unchanging Warrior, Super Crusade, Unchanging Warrior, but Super Crusade got it from Unchanging Warriors. Third, Speedmaker.
Mm-hmm.